Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's look because I'm going to be trying out the new Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. Look at the packaging. It is so beautiful. Let me show you the inside. So there are tons of beautiful neutral and purple shades. Something I feel like that is very different for the Naked palettes for Urban Decay, but I am loving it. And I know I should have done a purple look because it is the ultraviolet palette, but I was really drawn to this shadow in the center. It's kind of like a white-green duochrome shadow. It has a beautiful shift, so I wanted to pair it with something on this side, but I am going to be doing a look with more of the purple shadows next, so don't worry, I will be doing the purples. So I hope that you enjoyed today's look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this kind of soft, dusty rose with a pop of that green in the center, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet eyeshadow palette. I'm now picking up Mind Slip. Going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease brush, I'm going to apply this through my crease as my transition shade. Now going into Hacked. Now switching over to my Sigma E25, and I'm going to start applying this all along my crease area, all the way into the inner corner. Just going back and forth. The shadow is so beautiful and blends out so nicely. And I'm just going to keep packing on the shadow until I get the intensity that I like. Just applying in windshield wiper motions, and then I do little circular motions at the very high point of the crease to start blending it out even further. And then picking up Mind Slip on my E38 Diffuse Crease brush and applying that at the very high point of my crease to blend this out even more. For primer, I'm picking up the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. I'm applying this along my lid. This is going to be the base for my next shadow, so it's nice and opaque. And then just taking my finger, I'm going to pat that in to make sure it's nice and smooth, and then lightly just tap that into the very bottom of my crease just to make sure that it blends evenly out everywhere. I'm picking up VR, and while the base is still tacky, I'm going to start patting the shadow on my lid with my F70 concealer brush by Sigma. And once it's applied, I just picked up a little bit of VR again, and I'm tapping first into the crease, just not to disturb the shadow on my lid, and then just swipe back and forth. Lightly blend and make sure that everything is really seamless. For the center of my lid, I'm picking up Lucid. So I picked up this beautiful reflective green on my finger, and I'm going to apply this just in the center. So the shadow that I have on my lid, VR, already has a nice shift to green. It has beautiful green reflex, so this middle shadow that I'm applying right here is going to really nicely complement it and catch the light so nicely. And then you can just pick up a little bit of VR and tap that on the edges just to make sure everything is blended. I'm now picking up Lucid on my F70 concealer brush and highlighting my inner corner. With my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm picking up Hacked, and I'm sweeping that along my lash line and smoking that out. To line my waterline, I'm going into the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil in M-30. I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. Moving on to my lips, let's do a nice kind of dusty rose mauve lip to match with the eyes and tie everything in. I'm going to go into one of my favorites. This is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in I Create. And that is it. This is the completed look of my Dusty Rose / Mauve Halo Smoky Eye using the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how soft the look turned out. I'm loving the combination of that Dusty Rose / Mauve with that green in the center. The shadows just complement each other so nice because the Dusty Rose shadow actually has some green shift to it and reflects, which I think really nicely complements the center shadow. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also lists up all the products that I used today along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!